Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sun rays onto your image on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you can open up any image from your device on which you would like to add your sun rays. After opening this image, make sure that you have downloaded an image of a sun ray on your device as well. After doing so, you can tap on the Tools option and then scroll down and tap on Double Exposure. From here, tap on Open Image and now just open up the image of your sun ray. After opening up the image, just drag and reposition, and you may also scale your image based on your desire by using the pinch and zoom functions. After adding up your image in your desired location, tap on the opacity option and move it slightly to the left so that it is almost invisible. Then tap on the Apply button, and now in order to fine-tune and make this solar flare more visible, tap on the Edit Stack button and then go into View Edits. From here, tap on Double Exposure once again and then tap on the middle option to fine-tune your edit. Now first of all, tap on the Invert option and then highlight the area where you want your solar flare or your sun rays to appear. Once this area is not painted red anymore, you can tap on the Invert option once again and now the area will be selected. Make sure that the mask option is enabled and now tap on the tick mark option. This will now add your sun ray onto your image right away. Now once again tap on Double Exposure and then tap on Settings, and now tap on Opacity once again to change your opacity level for the sun flare only. You can increase it as much as you want and then tap on the tick mark in order to apply it. And now your sun rays have been added to your photo right away. You can tap on the Export button in order to export your image onto your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add sun rays onto your picture using Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.